Chris here again. Check out this beast. This is 1.5 inches long, 3/4 in diameter. It's a translucent orange. I drilled it with coolant so it would be nice and smooth on the inside. And man, it came out gorgeous. This translucent orange with the black and white mesh running through it. It's insane. It's an absolute beast. I'm gonna have to play around with some more big stuff like this. This is more like the pull style. It's not something you can, hang around and put on a lanyard and put around your neck or anything like that. But definitely for a keychain at the end of your knife, it's got a really nice grab handle on it. I mean, it's like 2 fingers wide. Absolutely awesome. Very beefy. So go over to fiddlebone.com, share with your friends, like, subscribe, and all that cool stuff. Have a great day.